Hello everyone, welcome to the Excel lesson number 31. In this lesson I am going to talk about a special kind of three functions. The first one is about ceiling function, the other one is flow, and the third one is Mround. So what is this ceiling? Ceiling is rounding a number up. If you have a value like this, it will always round it up based on the multiple significance we are defining. Then when we talk about flow, that is same as ceiling, but for the function flow, the number will be down, round it up, down. And when we think about Mround, rounding up or down automatically, function is deciding whether need to make it round up or down. So this is again more similar to the round function, round up, round down, but there are some advantages using these functions. Let's see how these functions are working. We have a scenario here. We have the same value. First of all, we are going to find out how the ceiling is working to the nearest one multiple significance. We'll see how it is working. Let's do the formula. Equal, function name is ceiling, this one. You can see the description. Round the number up to the nearest multiple of significance. Select the formula and then select the value cell, and our scenario is to the nearest one. Significance should be 1 and close brackets and then hit enter. So you can see it's rounding up to the nearest one multiple significance. So here you can see 1199 since 623, it's rounding to 1200. Now let's see how the function flow is working in this situation. Equal, function name is flow, open brackets, select the value cell, comma, and the multiple significance is 1. Close bracket. What will be the answer? 1199. Because flow is rounding down to the nearest one and multiple significance. Then Mround. We'll see what is the answer we are getting when we use Mround. Equal Mround, open brackets, value cell, comma 1, close bracket, hit enter. You can see it's rounding up, not rounding down. The reason behind that, the value is more than 0.5, so it is rounding up automatically to the higher value. Now let's see how we can use the same with a different multiple significance. Right, so because by doing this you can have a better understanding about these functions. Equal, ceiling, open brackets, value. This time after comma provide 0.5, 0.5 as the multiple significance and hit enter. You can say it's rounding up again to the 1200 because that is the nearest 0.5 multiple significance into the upwards. Now let's see what is happening for the function flow in this situation. Flow, open brackets, value, and then 0.5, close brackets. Now you can see 1199 and cents 50, because that is the nearest 0.5 multiple significance to the downwards. Right. So now when you do this, you may have you can think about your practical scenarios in your day-to-day work. Now let's see how it is happening automatically when we use Mround. Mround bracket value. It is rounding down in that situation because 0.5 1199 since 50 is the nearest multiple significance for this value because it's 0.62. It's near to the 0.5, right? You can see how it is working now. Now let's try this by using this nearest 0.05 as the multiple significance, how this is working. Right, now first of all it's ceiling equal ceiling SEI value comma 0.05 as a multiple significance. Now you can see 0.62 rounded up to 0.65, rounding up. Now we'll see how it is working for flow value. The answer should be now 0.60, right? See? Right, now let's see how it's working with Mround. Right, you can see it's rounding up to the nearest 0.05 multiple significance automatically. That is to the lowest value because it's 0.623. Now my dear friends, think about these functions, how these functions are working. So according to that you can plan your formulas in your day-to-day work. If you have this type of situation where you want to have the decimal points, the values based on a kind of a multiple significance, so you can do that by defining your own formula. So this is the foundation, this is the theory part of this. Hope this is helpful to you. Kindly share your knowledge by sharing this demo video with others. Please feel free to share as much as possible. Right, thank you so much for watching this demo for now. Hope to meet again with lesson number 32. Bye bye. God bless you all.